Welcome dear students, जी आयां नू प्यारे विद्यार्थियों. What is meant by a square plus b square is not equal to 0? Before proceeding further, let us deal with another question first. When can the expression a square plus b square be 0? We see that the expression a square plus b square is 0 only in one case. And that case is when both a and b are 0. That is 0 square plus 0 square is equal to 0. If either a is non-zero or b is non-zero, then the expression a square plus b square is also non-zero. It is quite obvious because square of every number, be it positive or negative, is always positive. Thus, a square plus b square not equal to 0 means that both a and b are not 0. Where do we use this? We use this in defining the general form of linear equation in two variables. General form of linear equation in two variables is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and the associated condition is where a and b both are real numbers and a square plus b square is not equal to 0. That is, both a and b are not 0. However, either a or b can be 0. I hope the video helped you in understanding the concept. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to share and like. Thank you very much. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ.